What is up, guys? It's Nick here, and this is going to be a very short and very simple video. I'm going to be showing you a new program that I made. It's called BootCleaner. It's not really a program, but I mean, yeah, it is a program. Anyways, it's a Java application that basically just is designed to run on your computer startup, and all it does is clean your computer temporary files. You can not, you can use it without on your computer startup, but it's not recommended because why would you like not make it automated? And yeah, anyways. So the reason why I made this is I've been I have a few friends. Yes, I have friends. Yeah, anyway. I have a few people that were like, oh, can you come check my computer? It's performing very bad. And I checked their computer, and the question I always ask them first is like, how often do you clean your computer's temporary files? And they're like, some of them are like, wait, what is that? And some of them are like, oh yeah, I do run CCleaner once in a while. And I'm like, well, when's that? And they're like, oh, once a month. Yeah, I mean, once a month is okay, but like, CCleaner has a lot of issues that are starting to pop up recently. For example, it has a lot of compatibility issues with Windows 10, which I myself and a few other people use. Yeah, we still use that. Anyways, I'm sorry, I'm dying. So anyways, I really do not like CCleaner. I've been using it for a very long time, and just recently I was like, why do I really need CCleaner? I mean, I can do literally everything it does by using my hand. I mean, well, here's the thing. CCleaner is a really good program, and so are other things like glary utilities. And I mean, glary utilities is probably a lot better than CCleaner, but anyways, the thing is, CCleaner cleans way more than what, for example, you can clean by yourself or what this program cleans. But let's say you're a lazy person, and you don't want to make CCleaner execute itself on startup and stay active and enable its automated cleaning thing. I mean, you can do that on Windows, but nowadays, but Windows automated cleaning thingy is very buggy and weird, and sometimes it just performs on its own automatically for no reason. But anyways, so yeah, I made this, and these are the current directories that it cleans. It cleans your prefetch, your thumbnail cache, your Windows logs folder, your temp folder, the file explorer cache, which is the recent destinations that show up on the side on your explorer, and yeah, and a few other things. It's not going to clean everything. For example, it is not going to clean your explorer's cache. For example, I'm using Firefox right now, and it will not clean that. But what you can do on every browser nowadays is you can configure it to automatically clean itself every time you close the browser, which is what I've done with Firefox right now, and it's actually very smart to do, because your computer won't be bloated with like a lot of cache that Firefox is no longer even using. And trust me, Firefox and Google Chrome generate a shit ton of fucking cache that stay forever, and well, until you clean them or you just configure it properly. But yeah, my recommendation is that you either use a similar program or this one. You don't have to use mine. I just want to share it because I made it for myself, and I was like, well, why don't I make it public? So yeah, I'm probably going to add more to this. Oh, it also cleans your what's it called? The recycle bin. It also cleans that, and you cannot configure it as of right now. I am going to add a config option to, like, for example, okay, first I'm gonna show you how to set it up. So it's very simple. You click here, I'm gonna have this link on my description. It's on GitHub. You click here and it's going to download itself. Now after you downloaded it, uh, basically you can drop it anywhere you want. I prefer to have it on my Windows folder because, you know, why not? Basically just make a directory or whatever, BootCleaner, and drop it here. Okay. Now if you want to add it on startup, you're gonna have to go to this directory. Anyways, yeah. Update roaming, Microsoft, Windows, start menu, program startup, or you can just go to run and just do that. Shell, the two dots that I don't know how to name because I'm fucking Greek, and then startup. And it's gonna bring you here. I'm sorry, I'm dying. So after that, what you can do is go here again and just create shortcut and just copy this and drop it on the startup folder and just rename it to whatever you want and go to properties, advanced, click on run as administrator. You don't really have to do this. Usually it's not going to need the administrator rights, but I'd recommend you do that anyway, just in case I add a few things in the future that are going to need those. So yeah, that's pretty much how you set it up. And after on every computer startup, it's going to execute itself in the background and it's going to open up a small CMD for a little bit, and then it's going to show you this cleaned and then the amount of temporary files that it cleaned, and you just click OK and it's gone. That's it, literally. That's nothing. That, yeah, just a small CMD. Yeah, right now it cleans 0 temporary files because, well, we already cleaned them all. And yeah, is this going to slow down your startup? No, like absolutely not. This takes like like I don't know, 1 second, 2 seconds to do what it has to do. Hardly 1 second. Like it does what it has to do and then pops this and then boom, it's done. Yeah, I am going to add a config option, like a config.yml file inside the jar, so you can like configure if you want this message to be showing, because I'm sure most of you guys don't want to be shown like, oh yeah, this program is made by Nick and yeah, the cleaned 0 temporary files, and then you have to click OK. But yeah, I'm going to add a config option for that and for the recycle bin. And yeah, I'm going to be adding a more stuff to clean here. If you guys want to compute English, if you guys want to contribute, this project is open source. It's a very small project. It's insanely easy to work with. You know, I just made this for the sake of having it on my computer because I'm lazy to run CCleaner. So I just remove CCleaner and do this, and then yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know if you guys like videos like these ones where I show small computer stuff. But yeah, and let me know if you like this little program that I made. So yeah, I am Nick, and yeah, goodbye.